now tuned into the greatest.
What is up, YouTube? Mark Kicks coming at you with another video. I'm gonna do what all YouTubers do. I got this question. Really, a friend asked me this and I just thought, hey, this is kind of a good video. Someone asked me, what do you get someone for Christmas that loves sneakers? Some of my favorite videos on YouTube are gift guides, so had to do it. Here we go. Sneakerhead holiday gift guide. So the first thing, I'm gonna just give you a stocking stuffer. I give this every year. I don't like when people don't have the essentials, man. Stocking stuffer this year, obviously we go with Crep Protect, not sponsored. Crep Protect, not sponsored. With the Crep Protect, the rain and shine, the little, it's just a protectant. You spray this on I spray this on every new shoe I get. It's like 5 minutes and then you let it dry and then you do it a second time. And it just protects your shoe. Like I'm super careful where I step anyway, but like my little brother, this dude, you'll hand him a new shoe, he'll literally just go jump in the river and the shoe will just be trash. So I spray these on shoes that I get him, and it's just essential because like your shoe will stay clean, stuff flies off of it. Like it's really like the commercials is real. Like you could pour something and it'll just, so there's that. And then for the people that don't get that or that still are like my brother and jump in the river, just a little box that has the actual cleaning products in it, you know, and just that, it's so easy to clean. Water, spray a little, brush it, let it soap up, and the shoe will come out clean. So these are essentials. Any sneakerhead, stocking stuffer, go ahead, pick these up any store pretty much. Finishline, Footlocker, throw these in the stocking. For the first actual shoe, I'm gonna go with something comfy. I know a lot of people, I shouldn't say a lot of people, me, I like to wear something comfortable. Even if it's not too like expensive, it's not too crazy. It's just something that I can throw on wherever and they're very comfortable. And there's a lot of different colorways. I'll go with the Adidas for my Adidas people, my Adidas Ultra Boost, or I'll go with the Nike 270, Nike Air Max 270. These two shoes, you can pick them up pretty much any store. I think they range from 180 to 160, don't quote me. A simple shoe, they got all black colorways, all white. You can just rock them. They're super comfortable. This is obviously more comfortable. This is the most comfortable shoe I have. So Adidas Ultra Boost, can't go wrong. And I feel like Sneakerhead, this is just a safe purchase. Like if you have no idea, this is super safe. You can just get an all white pair of Ultra Boosts. Every sneakerhead will appreciate it. I mean, I've had 3 pairs. So like if somebody ran into me, was like, hey, here's a all white pair of Ultra Boosts, I'd be like, I appreciate you. Like I'm not gonna be like, this trash, I don't want it. Like I can always use another all white, you know. For the next thing, I know we all got somebody that's like, you know, they love the environment. They take the their little extra bags to the grocery store. We want to save the earth, all that stuff. Then I got a shoe for y'all too. The Space Hippies, man, from Nike. Stuff is made of recyclable materials, or the box is 100% recyclable. I don't know what they're doing, man. All I know is that these are good for the environment. They look nice. I like the way they look. So if anybody got somebody in the family, you know, they like the environment, this is like a cool thing to show them. You know, like, boom, these are good for the environment. The only good shoe, come on, man. Don't put on them Jordans, man. It's not good. You killing us. No, I'm playing. But these are good for the environment. So, can't go wrong. I might have some parents watching this and they like, yo, my son is nuts. Like, if it was me, if my mom was watching this, she'd be like, yo, my son wants to be flashy. My son wants some crazy shoe that everybody knows what it is. I can't go wrong. You know, like, I need something hype. Surprise, I got you. The Yeezy Foam Runner, man. One of my favorite shoes. I don't know if it's a shoe, honestly. Slide. It's just one of my favorites. It's just because it looks so crazy on foot. It's comfy. Everybody will know what to, actually, scratch that. People that don't know shoes have no idea what these are. People see these when I wear them and they're like, bro, what is going on? I'm like, I don't know. They look nuts. They look stupid, but it's just a nice shoe, man. They got some nice colorways. I like all the colors. Can't go wrong. The price can range from 180 to about 400, somewhere in there, you know. It's a really nice shoe though. I really like it. Fit, true to size pretty much. I'm a size 12, so actually, scratch that. I would say go a size up. If somebody's a 9, 9.5, I might say get a 10. I'm a 12. All of my foam runners are 12s, so it's not the end of the world if you do get that size, but if you want to just be safe, I know kids, I don't know, go a size up, you'll be straight. And then last but not least, the must cop. If you have a sneakerhead in your life, the must cop before 2022. Y'all know where I'm going. Must cop. Jordan 11, cool gray. They already released. I'm sorry to tell you, you're gonna have to pay resale. Go on eBay, go on StockX, do that. You're gonna have to pay bread, but can't go wrong. Can't go wrong. They just released. Everybody's gonna have them. You gotta be fresh. You gotta be with the times. I think this is a shoe. It doesn't matter if everybody has them. It's just fire. You gotta cop. Cop your size. Stay blessed, man. Stay blessed. So yeah, holiday gifts. This is what we doing. I've been trying to tell y'all for how long? I've been trying to tell you what we do. So now you know what to cop. Crep, y'all can sponsor if you really wanted to. But yeah, Golden State Warrior colors, cause Steph about to break the record. That's what we do, man. MJ just left, too much going on. But yeah, everybody have a good holidays. Subscribe, like the video, share it with somebody. Share it with your parents, cause sometimes parents don't even be knowing it. So like, just let them know, man. All I know. Mark Kicks, man. Let's get it.